So, hi guys, my name is Fateh and our today's topic is blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed digital ledger technology that enables secure, transparent, and tamper-proof data management. It is underlying technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its application extend for beyond digital currencies. Key features of blockchain: decentralized. Decentralized include no single entity controls the network. Distributed ledger. Data is stored across a network of models. Immutable. Data cannot be altered or deleted. Transparent. All transactions are publicly visible. Consensus mechanism. Nodes validate transactions through complex algorithms. Applications of blockchain. Supply chain management. Smart contracts. Identity verification. Healthcare record management. Voting systems. Cybersecurity. Intellectual property protection, cross-border payments. Benefits of blockchain: security, transparency, efficiency, immutable record keeping, and automation through smart contracts. Challenges and limitations: scalability, regulations, interoperability, energy consumptions, complexity. Types of blockchain: public blockchain example Bitcoin, Ethereum; private blockchain example enterprise specific; consortium blockchain example multiple organization; hybrid blockchain example combination of public and private. Blockchain has the potential to transform various industries by providing a secure, transparent, and efficient way to manage data and collect transactions. Here are some additional aspects of blockchain technology. Blockchain scalability solutions. Sharing. Divide the network into smaller manageable pieces of chain transaction processes. Transaction outside the main blockchain. Second layer scaling solutions. Adds additional layers for faster processing. Blockchain sharding. Divides the blockchain into smaller parallel chains. Blockchain interoperability. Cross-chain atomic swaps enable asset exchange between chains. Side chains allow for set transfer between chains. Interoperability. Protocol standardized protocol for cross-chain communication. Blockchain security. Cryptographic algorithms. Secure data through encryption. Consensus mechanism. Validate transaction through complex algorithm. Smart contract security. Secure automated contract through code review. Wallet security. Protect user asset through secure storage. Blockchain regulation. Anti-money laundering (AML) regulations. Know your customer (KYC) regulations. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) guidelines. Interactions International Organization for Standardization ISO standards. Blockchain use cases: supply chain management, identity verification, healthcare record management, voting system, cybersecurity, intellectual property protection, cross-border payment, social media platforms. Blockchain and artificial intelligence (AI). AI powered smart contracts, AI driven blockchain analytics, AI based blockchain security, AI enabled decentralized application (DApps). These additional aspects highlight the ongoing development and application of blockchain technology, including scalability solutions, interoperability, security, regulation use cases, and integration of AI. Here are some additional aspects of blockchain technology. Blockchain scalability solution. Sharding divides the network into smaller manageable pieces of chain transactions, processes transaction outside the main blockchain. Second layer scaling adds additional layers for faster processing. Blockchain pruning remove unnecessary data to reduce storage needs. Blockchain interoperability cross-chain atomic swaps enable asset exchange between chains. Side chains. Side chain allow for interoperability between different chains. Blockchain bridges connect separate blockchain for seamless interactions. Blockchain security. Cryptographic algorithm protect data with advanced encryption. Consensus mechanism ensures the network agreement on transactions. Smart contract auditing identifies vulnerabilities in code. Penetration testing simulates attacks to test network resilience. Blockchain and artificial intelligence. AI powered predictive analytics forecast market trends and potential security threats. Machine learning based smart contract automates complex decision making. AI-driven blockchain optimization, improve network efficiency and scalability. Blockchain and Internet of Things. Secure data transmission, protect directory device and data with blockchain encryption. Autonomous device management utilize smart contracts for automated device control. Supply chain tracking. Leverage blockchain for transparent and tamper-proof tracking. These additional aspects highlight the opinion